Building software is not like assembling a puzzle where all pieces fit perfectly the first time. It is more like a living thing where change and growth are happening all the time. That means bugs are introduced and they are inevitable. We need to make sure that we confidently are sure that the product works as expected. For a long time, this job fell on the manual testers. They go to the website or application, click around, fill the forms, and then make sure the application works as expected. It is slow and for sure works fine, but it took a long time, and we need a way to speeden it up. That's where automation testing comes in. Automation test is incredibly helpful, and it helps make the development cycle faster. What does it actually look like? So in your code base, you might see like .spec, .ts. These are the set of instructions that you give to think of it like a robot. The robot executes the test automatically, and any failed test, it reports to you, and you can see where the software fails, and it's very fast and quick. So it automatically runs in your CI/CD pipeline, and you can catch the bugs before they ever get close to the user. So what is automated testing? On the smallest level, you have unit tests that check single functions, and then there are integration tests that make sure different parts of the application works fine together. For example, the service layer talks to the database and there are no problems. And finally, there are end-to-end tests that simulate the actual end user activity through your application. It goes and clicks around the application as a real user would do. So these are the types of testing, and basically you get it. Software testing is all about making sure that we are building high quality, trustworthy software. So if you like this short video, give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.